What is that?
I found an egg. Maybe we should put it in the incubator. It's a little tiny egg. It must have fell out of that tree.
I'm going under and
So I'm putting it in. I don't know if it's gonna hatch.
This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.